Hello, my name is Zeyad Bekir. I came from the state of Michigan, United States. I came to Istanbul to the dose group to complete couple procedure. The first one was hair implantation. The other one is natural filler in my face. They are very excellent group to work with, very pleasant. They're there to answer any of your questions, take care of you, whatever your needs are. They pick you up from the airport, pick you up for your appointment. They're willing to answer any question that you might have. On top of that, and most important, they work with a great team of doctors. Those doctors are extremely professional. They know what they're doing. They're willing to answer any question that you have regarding the procedures or any other question. They're very easy to work with, and they never hesitate to offer you help. I'm very pleased with them. I'm very pleased with the procedure that I've completed, and would highly recommend the dose group to my friends and anyone that's out there. Thank you so much.